Cats, members of the Felidae family. They're majestic creatures that have been around for millions of years. And those millions of years of evolution have given even our household pets a strong genetic makeup comprising a series of keen predatory instincts. So there's definitely more than meets the eye to these little guys. Now do you think differently about your furry feline friends? Well, don't. Cats may be related to tigers and leopards, but deep down, the cats we keep are sweet, domesticated, and still our friends. Our pets. Our cute, cuddly, lovable, fuzzy baby animals.